Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to choose who can comment on your public post on Facebook. The first thing you do is open up your Facebook. Then from your home page here, you tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. No, tap on it, not press it down. Once you tap on it, this pop-ups. Then next thing, you tap on your name and then tap on the three dots over here and then tap on follow settings. And here you scroll down to who, this option over here, who can comment on your public post. This allows you to choose who is allowed to comment on your public post. People tagging your public post and their friends may still be able to comment. You can update this on individual posts without affecting your account settings. So right now mine is set to public, so you just simply tap on it and you can choose between public, friends or friends. So if you want the public to comment on your public post, tap on public. If you want to be the friends of your friends, tap on friends of friends. And if you want it to be friends alone, tap on friends alone. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.